Hi, I'm Christina Heidick with PTO Answers, and today I have a little rant. And I don't know where this came from. Maybe this just like surfaced. I don't know. I was just thinking about problems that PTO leaders might have or PTO members might have. And so today I want to talk to you about like the number one mistake that PTO presidents make. And that is thinking that they are in charge of everything and that they get to be the sole decision maker about everything. No, that is not how to roll. That is not how to inspire people to get involved. You, as the PTO president, are not in charge of everything. You are the lead delegator and you are the main connection point. You are the person that is designated leader for the group where people should know to come to you versus, Sally Staff Appreciation Chair, right? They should be going to Paula president, but just because you're president doesn't mean you get to decide things. So you still need to be sending emails to your board to let them know about program ideas that you have or initiatives you want to take or like fundraisers. If you have a fundraising idea, you should not be doing it yourself. You should be like talking with the fundraising chair and see if they're interested. It really falls under their domain, but you as presidents aren't in charge of everything. And I think that when a new president comes in who doesn't know, who's not a good leader and who doesn't recognize that fact, then they're just going to turn people off. And that's not good. So there was one situation that I was talking about with a member in the PTO PTA Superstar Leader Group, which if you are not yet a member of that free Facebook community, I don't know what you're waiting for. There is a link in the video description so you can go ahead and join us in that group. She was saying how the new president came in and the person who posted was a new treasurer, incoming treasurer. And I think she had been handling the social media accounts for the PTO. Anyway, the new president came in and kicked everybody out of the accounts, changed all the passwords, and basically didn't give anybody authority to do anything, claiming that there was an audit. Girl, there's no such thing as a social media audit. And that is no way to lead anything by kicking off all of your fellow volunteers. They're supposed to be your partners in making this happen. You are not queen bee or king whatever. You are not king of the hill and get to make all of the decisions. No, you were supposed to be working with others to make all of this happen. And so the incoming treasurer who was posting about this was like really distraught. She's like, have you even heard of such a thing? And I was like, no, but it sounds to me like they are a horrible leader and they just don't understand. So because they weren't confident in what they should be doing as a leader, they were just like locking everything down. Whatever. I don't even know why they stepped up to be president if they were so insecure that they thought the best course of action was to kick everybody off the accounts. Because what it ended up doing is making that treasurer feel like they didn't trust her and that it was shady AF. Got it? Like totally shady. And I totally agree. Like it is shady. Why would you need to do that? Concludes my little rant about presidents who don't know what the heck they're doing. If you enjoyed this mini rant, it's not directed at anybody in particular. It was just like really for us to make cake today to hear about that. So if you enjoyed this mini rant, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you can get notified when I go off on something else. So until next time, you take care.